Hello Anshu, I am at Ramada Plaza right now, and let me show you how my room, which is 608 looks like. Here we go. This is the executive room. Oh, little too dark, man. Let me put the extra dark. Should not be like this. This is wrong. But yeah. So once I put it here, we can see the room. Lovely, nice paintings. Nice paintings. This is the room. Hello. It's okay. Usually I always stay in Westin or ITC Chola. The problem with ITC, oh my bag is already here. The problem with ITC Grand Chola, it's too slow. The service is very slow. And Westin is little, I mean, it's not that far, but yeah, wanted a change. So let me try this one. Okay, let me open the drapes. Okay, let's start working. You can see this little bit of noise. Yeah, it's working. In the meantime, let me check out the washroom. It should be the washroom. Okay. It's little small, and there is no bathtub. That's okay. I don't have to do anything. Okay, they're still opening. I don't know how long it will take, but yeah, almost there. Okay, good. A decent room, I would say. Not what we have here. Yeah. Maybe a fridge. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. That's it. Nothing too fancy thing out here. That's it. And see, this is the entire view. Excellent. This is the ITC Grand Chola. I always used to stay either on this or in Westin. This time for a change, I tried Ramada. To be honest, does not look like a great hotel because both of them comes at the same price comparing from them. But then let's wait and let's watch.